I'm myself Manisha Charya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the law, that is phone tapping law in India. So what people will do if in case anybody tapped their phone, to whom they will approach, and what are the remedies available, and what are the rights which as a person, as a citizen get, and what are the rights that get violated. Phone tapping, which means to listen secretly or to record all the private telephone conversation. This is also known as trapping or line bugging. So what is the history of phone tapping? Phone tapping was first started in USA in 1890s when telephone recorder get invented. And now we will talk about what are the laws in India related to phone tapping. If any person with unauthorized way or with illegal way tap your phone, then your most important fundamental right get violated, that is right to privacy. That means no one can violate your right to privacy by tapping your phone, not even the Indian government. Telephone Tapping Act is governed by Indian Telegram Act Section 5 Clause 2, which works as exception to it. It states that any state government or central government only have the right to tap someone's phone only when it is important to public emergency and public safety intercept, and the telephone and other communication devices are mentioned in Constitution Entry 31 of Union List. Phone tapping refers to the monitoring of interest-based communication and phones by third party by secret means. So what were the all incidents of phone tapping? So basically we will discuss about the Chandrasekhar phone tapping charges. This case is one of the most controversial case of 1990. Chandrasekhar, who was former Prime Minister who served as Prime Minister, talked about the phone tapping in 1990 to 1991. He put the allegation on the government that government was tapping his phone and of 27 other politicians. They were doing all this without any proper authorization, and government was not able to give proper reason for the same. Later on, CBI investigation was conducted and detail came out about the government tapping their phones. The matter was taken to the Supreme Court through public interest petition, which was filed by PUCL. The case law of PUCL versus Union of India 1986. So People Union for Civil Liberties is a human right body which was established in 1976. In this case, Supreme Court gave judgment that telephone tapping violates right to privacy and safeguards were given against state arbitrary surveillance power. Section 4 of the Act deals with exclusive privilege of the government to establish, maintain and use telegraphs. It also provides for the government to grant license to establish, maintain or work a telegraph. The government may grant such license on certain conditions for a license fee. Section 5 of Telegraph Act is commonly known as the wiretapping clause. It gives the power to the government to take possession of any licensed telegraphs in case of public emergency or in the interest of public safety. It can also order interception of communication in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of the India, the security of the state, friendly relation with foreign state, of public order, or for preventing incitement to the commission of an offence. However, the government has to follow the procedure to establish any law for issuing such order. So ultimately, telephone tapping was held illegal in India And if in illegal way any aggrieved person phone is tapped, he she can approach court or can file complaint in Human Rights Commission. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such topics, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.